Welcome to our video about the sustainable business model archetypes. Currently, the world is using the equivalent of about 1.75 Earths to support human activities. Business as usual is therefore not an option for a sustainable future. Business models need to be redesigned, including the value creating logic that's behind them, to become more socially and environmentally sustainable. To aid in this challenge, 8 sustainable business model archetypes have been defined to help identify how businesses can become more sustainable and to compare the current sustainability of existing companies. They are grouped into 3 pillars: technological, social, and organizational. Let's start with the technological archetypes. The first technological business archetype is maximize material and energy efficiency, which means that businesses make products or services that require fewer resources, generating less waste and emissions than similar products or services. The second one is creating value from waste. This means that waste streams are reused or turned into valuable input for other production processes. The third technological archetype is to substitute with renewables and natural processes. This reduces environmental impact and increases business resilience by substituting finite resources for renewable ones. The first social business model archetype is deliver functionality rather than ownership. This means switching the core of the business from selling ownership of a product to providing a service instead. The second archetype is adopt a stewardship role, which entails the proactive engagement with all stakeholders to ensure their long-term health and well-being. With the third archetype, encouraging sufficiency, businesses attempt to actively find and promote solutions to reduce consumption and production. The first organizational archetype, repurpose for society or the environment, means that businesses prioritize delivering social or environmental benefits over economic gains, which includes non-profits, social enterprises, and regeneration initiatives. The second archetype, develop scale-up solutions, is focused on delivering sustainability on a larger scale. As most sustainable initiatives are new and small, it is very important to focus on scaling up sustainable solutions to have the highest possible positive impact on our world. In practice, businesses tend to implement a combination of these archetypes rather than just one, as these archetypes can be much more impactful when combined. An example is Mud Jeans, a clothing company offering the possibility to lease a pair of jeans for a year, after which it can be kept, returned, or traded for another pair in order to reduce consumerism and promote circularity. This business incorporates 6 different archetypes in total. Considering the technological features, they maximize material and energy efficiency through lean manufacturing. They also create value from waste by taking their jeans back, repairing and reselling them using 40% input of recycled material for their new jeans. Besides being innovative in their resource use, they also rent their products, therefore promoting functionality over ownership. Besides, they source their materials in an ethical way, stepping into the role of a steward. Finally, they raise awareness about the pollution of the jeans industry, calling upon the responsibility of the user and promoting a mindset of sufficiency. Lastly, they also work on developing scale-up solutions by prioritizing knowledge sharing and open innovation by being transparent and teaching others about circularity. In conclusion, this tool can be used to assess the sustainability elements behind existing business models and the future opportunities for businesses to become even more sustainable.